Hi, I'm Dan Milne with Livernois Motorsports. Today we have our 2018 Mustang GT. It's at the 3-liter Whipple Gen 5. We've already done some baselines on this thing. It's pretty much a bone stock car. This does have the 4-inch pulley on the 3-liter. It has a catback exhaust, but for the most part it's stock. We've already made some pulls with the tune in it now, and it's 680 horsepower and 560 foot-pounds. Pretty good numbers for a car like this. We're going to start leaning on our car a little bit and doing some more videos and promotion on this thing. So what we've noticed is this thing is, or I think everybody knows, that these cars are 12-to-1 compression. If we were talking about this 10 years ago, that hey, we want to take a 12-to-1 engine and put 10+ pounds of boost on it, you would have thought we were crazy. Anyway, some of the things we want to do with this is convert this from straight gasoline onto a little bit of ethanol, and I think it's important. And if there's some SAE papers out there that talk about ethanol, so I don't need to go into it, but a lot of the benefits of ethanol are captured in as little as an E30 blend. So we're going to start there with this. We're going to take the 680 horsepower that's already made right now, put some ethanol in it, and go ahead and make some pulls. So I think it's important for cars like this. They're on the edge with that kind of compression, so with some ethanol in it, it's going to make a little more power, it's going to be better for knock control, and we're going to see what happens. So stay tuned here, we're going to do some pulls. Okay, we made our pulls in our Mustang. We put a blend of E30 in it, changed the calibration so everything's right. You can't just put E30 on a car like this without changing the cal. Something I definitely wouldn't recommend. It picked up a lot of power. It went from 680 to 721, and torque went from 560 to 590. It's really a nice safety margin. If you can find ethanol and somehow get an E30 blend or better and get the tune sorted out for this thing, anybody that's got a Whipple Supercharger and a Mustang like this, 18 and newer, remember they're 12-to-1 compression, it really made a big difference in knock control, and it also is a lot safer on parts. Anyway, stay tuned for some more videos on this car. We're going to put the power to this thing and turn the boost up. Like I said before, this is a 4-inch pulley on it, so it's still in the lower stages of the Whipple Supercharger. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.